Now the topic is stack. Stack is a linear data structure in programming. So let's show the items in two manners. Uh, l- so LIFO manner, or you can say it is FILO manner. So LIFO manner, what is LIFO? LIFO is last in, first out. So the item that is last in will be removed first. So it will remove items from the top and add item at the bottom. So you can see in the picture, we are having empty stack here. So we are inserting 3 and we are inserting at the last. So here we are inserting 3 at the bottom, and then we will inserting 6, and here we are inserting 6 upon the item 3, and we are inserting at the bottom for this. So we will if want to remove this the item from the stack, we will use pop function, or we can say pop word. Or if we will remove from item from the stack, we will remove from the top. So this is what LIFO, last in first out. So that word or the data that is last in the stack will be out first, or we can say that is the so the data that is first in will be removed at the last. So we have pushed, or we have inserted the data, the number 3 at the first, so we will remove the number 3 at last. So we will remove 6 first. So we will remove from the top and it will remove 6. And if again we will use pop, then it will remove 3 and the stack will be empty. So let's do this in the Python. So remove this. We will write, we will create a list. So how can we perform stack operation? We will perform stack operations using list. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we are having 6 items in the stack. If we will use pop function, it will remove the last item. So it is removing the last item. So we can say it is the top of the stack. So if we removed items from the top, so this will be the top of the stack. And if we want to insert some item, so where we can insert the last item, the or where we can insert the item that we are going to insert. So now at this position we are having a list of 6 numbers. Now we want to insert a number. So here the number 6 is at our top of the stack. So now the number, if the number we will insert will come after the 6. So we can use append function, L dot append. If we will write uh, 7, L dot append 7, and if we print the list, so it will be a stack. If we print L, so here this is our stack. So this is at the bottom, this is at the 7 number is at the top. If we will remove items from the stack, we will use pop function, and we can just remove 6. So here we are having 6 at the top, we can remove 6.